Today, an open mind for a different view will always get you where you're going in a better way. Now this is a late model. This is 17 Buick. And you can see where rust is popping out everywhere. On that edge, underneath that molding, all across the bottom. I mean, rust is just popping out everywhere. See, it's got a spot above the molding. Above the molding over there. Just rust everywhere. And that's because this car isn't from around here. I think it's from North Dakota. But this guy is concerned about this. Wants it fixed. Well, yeah, I can do that. I can do that. You know, you usually don't see the inside dressing like this. Not in cars around here. I mean, this is awful. When I get to looking at it, man, this thing has to come off for me to do this work, for me to sandblast this and paint this areas. And, you know, in previous years, you'd have to pull the door panel, strip the wiring out of the door, and then find a way to get the door off reasonably. But not on this one. This one, in just a couple minutes, the door panel is off and it's naked. It's got this lever action harness here, which completely comes off with one pull. So I got 4 bolts, 2 top, 2 bottom, and this door's off of here. So I can carry on with sandblasting and refinish.